We're going to look at two fairly simple features of Google Docs, but very, very important ones. First one is how to share a document. Now, this will work whether you're in Docs or slides or spreadsheets or drawings. And when you want to share a document, you use the share button up here. So at the moment, you can see that this document is private to only me. That means if I sent this document to someone else, they wouldn't be able to see it. I'm the only one at the moment, while I'm logged into Google, that can see this document. Now I can change that by going to share, and I can either type in the names or email addresses of people I want to share it with, or more useful is if I go to advanced here, because this gives me more options. So I can change this by inviting people to view the document, or I can make it public so anybody can see it. I can make it so that anyone who I send a link to can see it. I can make it so that only people in Cramlington Learning Village who have the link, so who don't have the link can see it, and people with the link can see it. Or I can just make it people who I want to send it to. So if you're sharing this with lots of people and you want everybody in the school to see it, I would go for this one here, anyone at Cramlington Learning Village with the link. If it's just for your teacher or people who are in your group, then choose that and start typing their email addresses into here. So you could find me, for example, and share your document with me. Now, there are other options as well, because if you look at this, when I share that, it's set to view. So that means the person who sees that document can only look at it. They can't do anything else with it. If you change that to edit, they can edit the document. If you change it to comment, they can add comments to the document, but they can't change anything on the document and just leave little notes. So if you want somebody to be able to work on the document with you, choose edit here. Okay, so just to go through this, if I were starting from scratch and I wanted to share this document with Mr. Clark, then what I would do is click the share button. I would start typing in D Clark to find Mr. Clark. I want him at CLV Web. So I click on that, leave him a little note, here is my work. And then I choose, is he going to be able to edit, comment, or view? And click send. And that will share that document then with Mr. Clark. Obviously I can add more people to that if I want to do that. So that's a sharing. Now let's just say that your teacher has put a document on your class blog or something like that, or they've shared it on Google Classroom, and it's view only, and you want to make a copy of that document, so you've got your own copy. To do that, you just go to File, and you choose Make a Copy. And when you do that, you can give it a new name, and you will then be able to edit that document, and it becomes your own document. Now, any edits you make of that document won't appear on the original you were sent, because you're not working on that, you're working on your own copy. But that's how to make a copy of a document that you're given, if you need to do that.